Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Turkey Provolone and Pesto on Ciabatta Panini. So that's it here. You can smell the pesto, and there's some roasted red pepper, I believe, on there, turkey, pesto, and provolone cheese, all on a ciabatta bun. And it smells really good. So 36 grams of protein, 32 grams of protein, 520 calories. Pretty decent for a little sandwich like this. I'm gonna get right into it because I love ciabatta. Provolone's glued to the side. That tastes like turkey, all right. And pesto kind of pairs with that pretty well. Yeah, that's good. Little white mocha to wash it down. That's good. I like the pesto a lot. I just like pesto in general, but provolone cheese there. We pack some flavor. It's pretty good. I like it. They have other paninis that I like as well. I'll see how this stacks up against those. Pesto's so good. Turkey is kind of a drier, blander meat, but with the provolone cheese and the pesto on it, it does kind of make it taste a lot better than it normally does. And it's pretty good. I like it. That'll be my final bite there. Trying to think how it stacks up to the others. I like chicken more than turkey, so that's one of the biggest things about this. Pesto is delicious, but I don't know. Chicken caprese one I liked a little bit more. This one's got the same kind of vibe with the style of the bun, but it's turkey, so it's a little bit more bland than chicken is, and then it does a pesto to kind of combat that and give it some flavor, and the provolone cheese as well. So I would give this a solid 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty decent. 32 grams of protein, 520 calories, nice flavor. So cool. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.